Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to properly export and use your Canva template for your event. Once you have finished customizing your design, click the share button in the top right corner, then select download. If you're using your template as a digital invite, like for a birthday, baby shower, or wedding, or whichever event, you can choose PNG for high quality images or PDF standard if you're sending it via email. If you're printing your design, select PDF print for the best quality. Make sure the crop marks and bleed are turned on if your printer requires them. For animated invites, select MP4 video or GIF or GIF, depending on where you're sharing it, like Instagram, text message, or email. After downloading, you can upload your invite to social media, send it through text, email it to guests, or print it professionally. And that's it. Now your event design is ready to share. For more Canva tutorials and Lux template tips, subscribe and explore for full collection of event and business templates.